Hello everyone and welcome to our page for Arabic language learning. And today we have the following of words of animals and birds. Yes, today following of these words. Okay, the first word we have elephant. We have elephant. Yes. Elephant. In English, elephant, elephant. By pronunciation in Arabic, feel, feel. In Arabic, feel, feel. Okay. The second word we have crocodile, crocodile. Yes. In English, crocodile, crocodile. By phonetic of Arabic, pronunciation timsah, timsah. And in Arabic language, timsah, timsah. Okay. And the third word we have frog. In English, frog, frog. Pronunciation in Arabic, ضفدع, ضفدع. In Arabic, ضفدع, ضفدع. And or we can pronounce it ضفدع, ضفدع or ضفدع. Yes. And fourth word we have snake, snake. In English, snake, snake. Pronunciation in Arabic, ثعبان, ثعبان. In Arabic language, ثعبان, ثعبان. Okay. And finally, we have word of rhinoceros. In English, rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Pronunciation in Arabic, وحيد القرن, وحيد القرن. And in Arabic, وحيد القرن, وحيد القرن, وحيد القرن. That's okay. Any question or information about this lesson part number 2? Thank you for asking. You don't hesitate for asking any question for any information on this word. We have to understand it today. You have a great day on the world and good luck. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.